Welcome to a brand new video where we'll explore 8 simple exercises to lose love handles without ever stepping foot in a gym. Fitness is key to a healthy lifestyle, and today we're focusing on simple, efficient moves to tackle those tricky love handles. Stay tuned to discover exercises that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. The first exercise is standing side crunches, a great way to target your obliques. Now, let's dive into how you'll perform this exercise. First, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands behind your head with elbows pointing outwards. Now, lift your right knee to the side as you lower your right elbow to meet it. You're basically doing a side crunch but while standing. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement on your left side. This exercise is wonderful for toning your obliques, those muscles on the sides of your waist. It's these muscles that help define that beautiful waistline, and they're also key in getting rid of those pesky love handles. Aim to do 2 to 3 sets of 15 repetitions on each side. And don't rush, take your time to really feel the burn in your obliques. Remember, consistency is key when performing this exercise. Next up is the Russian twist, a classic exercise that works your entire core. Originating from the chilly plains of Russia, this exercise is now a global favorite. It's a full body workout that predominantly targets your obliques, helping to shave off those stubborn love handles. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, pull back a little with your upper body to create a V shape with your thighs. Keep your back straight to avoid strain. Now clasp your hands together and start twisting your torso from side to side. The key here is to keep your legs stationary while your upper body does the work. What makes Russian twists so effective? Well, with each twist, you're engaging your entire core. This not only helps in burning calories but also in strengthening your abdominal muscles. Remember, consistency is key. Do 2 sets of 10 twists every day and you'll start to see a difference. Keep your movements controlled for maximum effect. Moving on to bicycle crunches, a high-intensity exercise that targets your abs and obliques. To start, lie flat on your back. Place your hands behind your head, but remember, they're just there for support. Don't pull on your neck. Lift both your legs off the ground and bend them at the knees. Now, let's get to the cycling. Bring your right knee close to your chest, keeping your left leg away. Now, lift your head and touch your left elbow to your right knee while pulling your knee up towards your head. Next, switch sides. Bring your left knee close to your chest and touch your right elbow to your left knee. The trick here is to ensure your elbow and knee touch each other at the top of each rep. This is where you engage your core and obliterate those love handles. And remember, no rushing. Aim for slow, steady reps to really feel the burn. Now to plank hip dips, an exercise that challenges your balance and strengthens your core. Let's plunge into the workout. Start by getting into a forearm plank position, with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your feet hip-width apart. Now here's where the fun begins. Slowly rotate your hips to the right and dip your body almost to the floor. Then return to the initial plank position. Next, repeat the same movement on the left side. That's 1 rep. This dynamic twist on the traditional plank is a real game changer for your obliques. By adding a dip, you're engaging those side abdominal muscles more intensely, helping to sculpt and define your waistline. Remember, it's not about speed, but controlled, deliberate movements. The slower and more controlled you dip, the more you'll feel it. This exercise is not only about toning your core but also enhancing your stability and balance. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line for the best results. Next, we have the side plank, a static exercise that is excellent for core strength. This exercise is a real game changer, especially when it comes to toning down those love handles. So, how do we do it? Start by lying on your side with your feet together and 1 forearm directly below your shoulder. Now raise your hips until your body is in a straight line from head to feet. The key here is to engage your core and try to keep your hips lifted and your body aligned. The side plank does more than just target your love handles. It works your entire core and helps to improve balance and stability. It's a great exercise to incorporate into your daily routine, whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting out. Don't worry if you can't hold the position for very long at first. With time and practice, you'll be able to increase your endurance. Hold the position for as long as you can and remember to breathe. Let's tackle mountain climbers, a dynamic exercise that gets your heart rate up. Picture yourself scaling the heights of a towering mountain, each movement propelling you further upwards. This exercise is just as thrilling, and trust me, your body will feel the burn. Start in a plank position, with your hands directly under your shoulders and legs extended. Maintain a straight line from head to toe. Now, draw one knee towards your chest, keeping the other leg extended. Then, Alternate with a jumping motion as if you are running in place. Remember, the faster you run, the more intense the workout. Mountain climbers are a full-body workout, targeting your core, quads, and shoulders. They're an excellent choice for burning fat, especially around those pesky love handles. With every rep, you're not just working towards a leaner waistline, but also enhancing your cardiovascular health. Keep up the pace, and remember to breathe. This exercise not only helps with your love handles, but also improves cardiovascular health. Coming up is the Windshield Wipers, an advanced exercise that targets your obliques. Windshield wipers are a challenging exercise, but they're worth the effort. They target your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen, which are crucial for core stability and a sleek silhouette. Let's get into position. Lie flat on your back with your arms spread out to the sides for support. Raise your legs until they're perpendicular to the floor. This is your starting position. Now let's ignite those obliques. Slowly lower your legs to one side as far as you can control without touching the floor. Hold for a beat, then raise your legs back to the center. Repeat on the other side. That's 1 rep. This exercise requires a lot of control and stability, so don't rush it. Your focus should be on moving your legs with your core, not momentum. Remember, it's not about speed, but about the quality of movement. Finally, we have heel touches, a simple yet effective exercise to tone your waistline. Let's dive right in. Start by lying flat on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Extend your arms by your sides. This is your starting position. Now, exhale and crunch up, lifting your head and shoulders off the ground. With your right hand, reach down and try to touch your right heel. Remember, the movement should come from your obliques, not your neck or shoulders. Inhale as you return to the starting position, then repeat the movement with your left hand reaching for your left heel. That's 1 rep. Try to do as many reps as you can in 60 seconds. Heel touches are fantastic for engaging those deep abdominal muscles, helping to sculpt and tighten your waistline. It's a great way to target those love handles we're working to trim down. Consistency is key. Keep pushing and you'll see results. And there you have it. 8 simple exercises that you can do right at home to lose love handles. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started with standing side crunches, a fantastic way to target those oblique muscles. Then, we moved on to Russian twists, which are not only great for your love handles but also strengthen your entire core. Next, we hopped onto our imaginary bicycles with bicycle crunches, a fun and effective way to tone those sides. Plank hip dips followed, adding a twist to the traditional plank and taking our core workout to the next level. The 5th exercise was the side plank, a challenging but rewarding pose that tests your balance while sculpting your waistline. After that, we climbed some mountains, metaphorically speaking, with mountain climbers. This full-body exercise gets your heart pumping while targeting your love handles. We then swept away excess fat with windshield wipers, a dynamic exercise that works your obliques and improves your flexibility. Last but not least, we ended with heel touches, a simple but powerful exercise that targets the love handles and strengthens the entire core. Remember, these exercises are most effective when combined with a healthy, balanced diet. You can't out-exercise a bad diet, so make sure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients. And most importantly, be consistent. Regular exercise is key to seeing results. That's a wrap. You're now equipped with a powerful arsenal to battle those love handles right at home, without any gym equipment. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep going, and you'll reach your goals in no time.